Oceanfront locations, especially in a tourist hotspot like Myrtle Beach, can command premium nightly rates. During the summer months and holiday periods, high demand can significantly boost revenue. Basically those peak of the peak months, June, July, and August, you should be making a ridiculous amount of money in those months. On many of our oceanfront condos, they make enough money in just those 3 months to cover all of their operating expenses for the entire year. So if that's a measure for you or a gauge, it should show you just how profitable those 3 summer months are. Now, flexibility in pricing is another pro. Owners can adjust rates based on the season, local events, and demand. This dynamic pricing can maximize returns during high demand periods. Your appreciation and lifestyle appeal, another pro. Properties on the coast tend to appreciate well, particularly when tourism and local amenities improve. They also attract buyers looking for second homes or vacation properties, which can be another advantage when selling. Now, there's also tax advantages. In some cases, vacation rental income might offer unique tax advantages such as depreciation and expense deductions when managed properly. Of course, you need to check with your CPA about that. Both properties will give you a depreciation deduction. Now, some of your cons are going to be seasonality and occupancy fluctuations. Myrtle Beach is going to experience marked seasonal fluctuations. Off-peak seasons often see lower occupancy rates, which can create cash flow variability. Absolutely. Now, can you rent oceanfront condos 12 months out of the year? For sure. And your short-term rental properties, yes, you're going to have those holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and stuff like that. Is it going to be harder to rent those during the off-season months? Yes, with a solid property management or property manager with solid marketing, with solid self-management. Yeah, I would say that you should be able to rent those properties well. Now, another con is going to be your higher management intensity. Short-term rentals typically require more hands-on management. Frequent guest turnover means more cleaning, maintenance, marketing, and guest communication. Many owners rely on professional management services, which can erode profits. I think self-management is the way to go. That way you learn the business. Again, that's up to you. Another con is going to be the regulatory risk. Coastal areas sometimes face stricter local zoning and rental regulations. We definitely have zones in our market where you can do short-term rentals and cannot do short-term rentals. Shifts in local laws regarding short-term rentals can impact your ability to operate and reduce revenue potential. City of North Myrtle Beach is considering several different policies, one of which that you'd have to have somebody within 30 minutes of the property that can get there immediately if need be. So those obviously could pose certain, operational cost, which could erode your profits.